Welcome to 20 Car. Buckle up, thrill seekers. The 2025 Ford GT MK6 isn't just a car, it's a symphony of speed, sculpted metal, and mind-blowing innovation. America's motoring crown jewel has returned, and it's here to devour asphalt and your heart. Appearance. With razor-sharp aerodynamics and a futuristic silhouette, the GT MK6 is a rolling masterpiece. Its sweeping curves and active aero flaps scream performance, while its carbon fiber monocoque whispers exclusivity. The LED light strips, housed in aggressive slashes, look like battle scars earned at Le Mans. Interior magic. Step inside, and you're welcomed by a cockpit dripping in Alcantara, precision-machined aluminum, and carbon fiber. The dashboard is digital wizardry at its finest, a fully customizable 12-inch display that feels alive. The Formula One-inspired steering wheel houses intuitive controls, while the racing bucket seats cocoon you in motorsport luxury. Technical marvels. Packing a 3.5 liters twin-turbo V6 churning out 720 horsepower, the MK6 catapults from 0 to 100 km height in a jaw-dropping 2.8 seconds. Its 7-speed dual-clutch transmission ensures lightning-fast shifts, while its advanced suspension system adapts faster than you can blink. Competitors. The Ferrari 296 GTB and Lamborghini Huracan Tecnica are worthy foes, but the GT MK6's American grit stands unmatched. Price. Priced at $550,000, it's as much an investment as it is a statement. Ownership costs. High maintenance, specialized insurance, and a hefty depreciation curve make this a car for deep pockets, but it's worth every cent. Driving experience. The GT MK6 is an untamed beast. Every curve, every straightaway is an adrenaline shot. Yet, it's surprisingly compliant on a Sunday cruise. Advantages and disadvantages. Unmatched performance and iconic looks clash with high costs and limited practicality.